I thought we would do a dupe on an Anthropology dresser that costs nearly $1,500. This particular dresser is something I always admired, but certainly wouldn't pay that much for, and I thought I would actually be able to do it myself. So let's see if we can tackle it. Ready? Let's go. This is the piece that I have to work with. It's a dark finished nightstand. I'm going to put this epoxy compound and make some trees and some branches, and then have the bird sitting on top of the branch. Clay, and I made the branches and the birds and the leaves, and I'll show you what I got my inspiration from. And now I'm just going over it with a chalk paint, so it almost looks like a carved